The Earth spins on an imaginary axis every 24 hours. The axis is at an angle to the Earth's orbital path around the Sun. As the Earth orbits the Sun, the angle of its axis relative to the Sun changes. Sometimes it's pointing towards the Sun and sometimes away, depending on its position. Consider the situation when, from a Northern Hemisphere perspective, the axis is pointing toward the Sun. Because of the position of the Sun, we see that for someone in the Northern Hemisphere, more time is spent in sunlight than in the dark. That is, the days are longer than the nights. And conversely, someone in the Southern Hemisphere experiences shorter days and longer nights. Also, we note that in the north, the Sun is seen higher in the sky at noon, while in the south, it is lower in the sky. When the Sun is high in the sky, its heat rays are spread over a relatively small area, and thus the air feels warm. At the same time, when the Sun is low in the sky, the heat rays are spread over a larger area, and thus the air feels cooler. All these factors result in it being summer in the north and winter in the south. And when the Earth travels to the far side of the Sun 6 months later, from a Northern Hemisphere perspective, the axis is now pointing away from the Sun, and so it is winter in the north and summer in the south. The maximum tilt of the axis toward the Sun is 23.5 degrees, and at this point the days are longest and the Sun is at its highest in the sky. This is midsummer in the north, and it's known as the Summer Solstice. We'll reach the point of Summer Solstice in 2024 on June 20th at 21:50 Irish summertime.